With that being said, only one last thing to talk about here. It's been a great show. I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. Um, yeah, because we almost didn't even do the show because we had some difficult times to get this thing started. But once we got going, we got this thing going. Young Thug, man, Young Thug. We need to keep Young Thug off of Twitter. Can we do that? Can y'all help me out? Keep Young Thug and his beautiful girl at the basketball game. Keep them, at concerts. Keep them in the studio. Keep them in the bedroom. But keep Young Thug off of Twitter, please. We need him free. We need him out here. And of course, you guys may not know where I'm going with this, but Thugger had a situation where he almost tricked himself off the streets. Of course, a lot of people are hurting. A lot of people are mourning the loss of young Scooter, and his death has shook the streets of Atlanta. But Young Thug damn near made a big mistake by saying a little too much on the internet the other day. Right? So Young Thug said on the internet that the autopsy came back from young Scooter's death and that it wasn't a gate that killed him, that he was shot. Right? And he also said some things about a certain DA. And those things almost got him in big trouble here. So we need to keep Young Thug off of Twitter because he can't be out here tweeting things like the biggest liar in the DA office and then putting the picture of this woman. That's not going to do it, sir. You need to just stay out of it, sir. You're on probation, sir. These people will lock you up, sir. So again, he not only said that the autopsy came back and that information was proven to be false, he called this woman a liar, who this woman is also involved with the RICO of 4PF, and she is not only an attractive, woman, she's a very dangerous woman when it comes to criminals, or maybe she's doing a good job or her job or whatever. But after stating that Marissa Viverito, because that's her name, Marissa Viverito, after stating that Marissa is the biggest liar in the DA office, a lot of folks there wasn't too happy about that, and they were making moves to get Young Thug back behind bars. They wanted his probation revoked, and they wanted him back behind bars. And if it was for people like this guy,
to prove an innocent, big black ugly motherfucker, you. Yeah, big black ugly mother. Yeah, man, mother guilty. He got to prove his innocence. Hey.
If it's up to guys like this, then your thug don't stand a chance. But luckily, fortunately, this is not the guy that's going to be making that decision. The coon Charleston White.
Ain't no motherfucker innocent till proven guilty. White man is the only motherfucker that's innocent till proven guilty. Black motherfucker done something wrong. Especially if you're in the court of law. I wouldn't give a damn if for an insurance wreck. Do you know when you have a motherfucking insurance wreck and you want to get a bunch of money, don't you know them people got some questions that they ask you during the deposition that most niggas don't even know what it means?
Yeah, man, this man is absolute menace. Yeah, so we not paying no attention to, we not going to entertain anything that Charleston White has to say, but again, keep Young Thug off of Twitter because we need him in the studio and on the stage. But they did revoke the motion to revoke. They did deny the motion to revoke his probation. So that is, that is the good news here. But again, it was close. And so upon consideration of the state's April 2nd, 2025, the motion to revoke defendant's probation, which alleges a violation of terms and conditions of the defendant's probation, as having posted a picture of a particular law enforcement officer with the caption "Biggest Liar in the DA Office," and defendant's April 3rd, 2025 response thereto to have reviewed the terms and conditions of the defendant's probation imposed by this court. The court declines to revoke the defendant's probation based on the violations asserted. Round of applause to that judge, Judge Whitaker. Yes. Round of applause, Judge Whitaker. Thank you for keeping Young Thug free for now. But again, we got to keep him off of Twitter. Please.